Long live the king of his Cinematography kingdom.
Adikuku, you cancelled your engagement to my son, the prince of Isionyanato. And I called you to know why. In one very short sentence, can you tell me why you did that?
My king, I still want to be married to the prince, but I don't want to be part of a system controlled by greed. A system controlled by material things. A system where maidens do not have value. I do not want to be part of it, my king.
How dare you? I mean, what rudeness are you exhibiting before the king?
My king, I do not intend to be rude. Forgive me. Like I said, I still want to be married to your son, the prince. But on the condition that the royal family has to permit me reset the class differences in this land. That's all I ask, my king.
And what do you mean by that?
The prince, before we met, was engaged to another maiden of his Sonyenato. A maiden by all standard is well qualified to be called a wife to the prince. The engagement was shattered simply because she was adjudged by the aristocracy not to be qualified. My king, a system that can do this to a full maiden of his Sonyenato must be dismantled for me, Adikuku, to be called a wife to your son, the prince.
Ada.
Who calls my name?
Adaikuku. Adaikuku, the prince summons you in his chambers.
Right now?
Yes. He said we should come with you.
Okay. Tell the prince I have somewhere I need to be. I'll see him when I return. What is the meaning of this?
We are not living here without you.
Okay. Stop me if you have the balls.
Ijele the tigress herself. Adikuku. Why do you always make me feel less valued?
With all due respect, my prince, you don't expect me to run to you each time you call. I am a maiden that has so many things to do, so I'm busy. I'll see you when I return.
Ajalugo. You're hurting me with your words.
I am busy. Uzo! Uzo, hold on! Uzo! Uzo, can you just hold on?
My king, may you live long.
Were you able to talk some sense into her?
Father, Adikuku is a very stubborn maiden. Father, she's not one to be handled with gentle hands. We need to make her realize that she's just a maiden and must act accordingly.
Well, I need you to understand that her father, Zeibedebu, is not just a man in council. He is my personal friend, and we have to be very careful how we handle her. Adikuku is not just a maiden. She's a different kind of maiden entirely. You should be able to know what I am talking about.
Father, I cannot be turned into an object of mockery in this land. I must marry Adiku. Even if that means me handling her harshly. She has to fall in line. Father, we're talking about a mere maiden here. What does she have to do with the matters of the land? She should not be involved in it.
Well, I will advise you to tread carefully. Do not ever underestimate the power of a woman.
I've heard it, Father.
Go away from here. Leave this place. What do you want? I don't want to do something terrible to you. Just get out.
I don't understand. Why are you getting mad at me? What have I done wrong?
What have you done wrong? What have you come here to say? I said get out of this place, else I'll do something terrible to you.
Since you don't want to have sense, make me leave.
Adikuku, I said leave. Leave here!
Are you stupid?
Are you stupid? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What did I do to you? Leave me alone! Just get out of me! Chimo! Chimo! Get out of me! Get out! Leave me alone!
Are you happy now? See what you make me do? Are you happy now?
Does it mean she stayed at the house? What happened to you? Why are you looking this way? Ogini,
Can you imagine?
what is this? Kunu, who did this to you? Are you going to talk or not?
Can you imagine? Uzommili fighting me because of the prince. I don't get it. How is it my fault that the prince rejected her? Someone I'm fighting for is now fighting me.
I knew it. I knew it would be Uzommili. How many times have I told you to cut Uzommili off? Tell me, that maiden does not deserve to be your friend. Cut her off entirely and have some peace. No, just take a close look at you. Why are you doing this to yourself? Cut her off and have some peace.
In as much as I know that she's hot, I needed to beat sense into her. And she got what she deserved.
She got what she deserves. And you think you've beaten sense into her? Hi. Ada, Uzommili will never have sense. In fact, her entire generation is senseless. Do you know her grandfather? Or even her grandmother and mother? They are always senseless. They are all senseless. Cut this girl. I'm telling you, but you are laughing. You keep laughing when I'm telling you something serious. Ogini Megi.
I've heard you.
You have heard? You are sure that you've heard?
I heard you.
Hi. The visit to the palace. What did the king say?
We'll talk about that later. For now, I need to wash my body before my father comes in and sees me like this. Later. I'm so tired.
I will go. But I'll come back later for the information.
I'll give it to you.
Cut Uzommili off.
EJ, I've heard you.
Cut Uzommili off, Adekuku.
I've heard you.
are such a wicked friend. Take a look at me. Look at what you did to me.
I needed to beat sense into you. You made me chase and sweat like a goat. Uzo, how could you be so foolish? He chose his throne over you. Get some sense. What is wrong with you? He didn't even think twice. He abandoned you and chased after me. And there you are crying because of him.
But you were supposed to be my friend. You were supposed to reject him and not accept him.
How am I supposed to know that you're seeing this man? You never told me anything. Tell me, how am I supposed to know? And to think you're one of the reasons I'm fighting for the restoration of peace and equality in this land. Uzo, this is what I get. A fight from my friend? Ah, Uzo, I'm disappointed.
I'm so heartbroken. I love him so much.
Uzo. The prince. I'm sorry to say this, but the prince of Isoyenato does not deserve your love. No, he doesn't. This man is still living in the past. That's why he abandoned you like a piece of trash the moment his circle of oligarchy told him that he cannot marry you. Can't you see? He doesn't feel anything for you, my friend. Uzo, please, I beg you to join me in this fight. Let's do this for the maidens of Isoyenato. For people like you. Look, Uzo, look at me. Look at me. I need you. I need you to join me in this fight. I need your support. I can't do this alone. Remember, I have nothing to lose. But you, people like you deserve your right in this kingdom.
So, what do you need me to do?
Adekuku! Adekuku!
Father,
Where are you?
what happened? What happened? Why are you screaming?
What is this nonsense I'm hearing about? What did you tell the king?
Father, please. It is high time you stopped making those people believe you don't know the daughter you gave birth to. I am your product. I have your blood and water flowing in my vein and I fear no one. I told the king the simple truth. I, Adekuku, daughter of Nze Ibenebu, will not marry the prince, except if the king permits me to reset the class differences in this land.
And she confirms that she said it. What has come over you?
Reality, father. Reality has come over me. And I believe I've not done anything wrong. And I've not gone against the rules of this land.
And what makes you think you have the right and the power to make such kind of demand?
Father, I am a maiden of Isoyenato. And as a woman, in some sensitive matters like this, I should be involved.
Shut you up and listen to me. You have to go to the king and apologize to the king, as well as apologize to the prince. And the marriage will hold. You have to behave yourself.
I can't do that. I am a maiden who knows my rights and power. Father, before you called, I was busy in the kitchen. I asked to continue what I was doing.
Father, I heard that Adekuku is recruiting maidens against the throne. Father, she is currently recruiting all the maidens in this kingdom to revolt against the aristocracy. What are you going to do about it, Father? When will you take action?
Son, you need to know that Adikuku is a force. She is not just a maiden, she is a warrior. And like warriors, people like that can always do what ordinary individuals cannot do. It is on that note that I advise we should tread carefully.
Father, we are talking about a woman here. A woman.
Adikuku is not just a woman. Yes, she is a woman, but that is only by physical appearance. She is a man at heart. And that is actually the reason I approved that she will be the one that you will marry. The royal family needs a woman like that to be married into the family so that we are going to be able to weather the storm.
So, Father, you're saying that we should fold our hands and watch that maiden ruin your reign?
No. What I am saying is that we are going to fold our arms and watch her fail in this very mission she has just started.
How do you plan on doing that?
You are a prince, and I believe you see things. Have you seen women agree as women? No. Same with maidens. Once they gather, before you know it, disagreement sets in amongst them and they will scatter everything. That is exactly what is going to happen. And once it happens, I am going to take advantage of that.
But Father, I hope it happens as soon as possible.
It is actually
Because
going to
what
happen.
is going on now is not looking good at all.
That is how it looks on the surface, but it is going to happen. Trust me on that.
Greetings to you, Ichiagumba.
To what presentation do I owe this visit?
We were told your niece, Isioma, was hurt, screaming of pains you inflicted on her.
How dare you interfere with matters that has to do with my niece?
Yes, we know the matter concerns you and your niece. But we, the maidens of Isonye Nato, have come. And we demand to see her just to be sure she's all right.
You daughters and maidens of Isonye Nato have no right to encroach into matters that have to do with my niece. Now, I warn you, three of you, leave this compound now.
Ichiagumba. You imprison that maiden, Isioma, means absolutely nothing. She has a right as a maiden of Isonye Nato.
I can only forgive your insolence because of your father. But I will not continue to tolerate your insolence. If I hear any other word coming out from you, now leave my compound. I say, leave my compound.
Very well then. We shall see about that.
So you are still standing? Get out!
Well, the people of Ugoma are just looking for trouble. And I expect you to handle it.
Father, I'm already making moves. As of this point, we are already keeping an eagle eye on their warriors.
Maidens of Isonyenato, to what do we owe this invasion? I mean, what is this?
Long live the king of Isonyenato. My king, daughter of late Chief Uchebu, was beaten and locked up by her father's brother. She did absolutely nothing wrong. All she did was demanding for what is hers. Ever since this happened, nothing has been said about it. We, the maidens of Isonyenato, demand for her immediate release.
Yes!
Now.
Well, I want to thank you for finding time to do this, to come report this to me. I need you to know that the matter you are reporting is one I am already aware of, and I am handling it. I am sitting on top of this, and we are going to see it to the end.
With all due respect, my king, we are not leaving.
Yes!
The matter has taken way too long. She has been locked up without food nor water. We demand to see her right now.
Yes!
The maidens of Isonyenato says enough is enough!
Enough!
Lawlessness is gradually becoming a norm in your kingdom, Onyeze. We the maidens have kept quiet for too long, hence the happenings in your land. We have decided to speak up.
My king, we're sorry, but we're not leaving. We demand to see Isioma.
Yes!
Iwe, iwe!
Iwe!
Iwe, iwe!
Iwe!
Iwe newe yo!
Iwe newe yo! Iwe!
Iwe, iwe!
Iwe!
Iwe, iwe!
Iwe!
Iwe newe yo!
Iwe newe yo! Iwe!
Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato. Now I want you all to listen to me. The gracefulness of a man is in his ikenga. The gracefulness of a woman is in her power of procreation.
Yes.
Now this power is not just pushing out a child. This power is life, progress, fruitfulness. This power is all we need to conquer. Before I proceed, I want to tell you all something. In this Isonyenato kingdom, no one will give you what you don't deserve. Everyone will give you that which you deserve. And you will be the one to determine how others will treat you.
Yes!
We have come to stand and take that which rightfully belongs to us.
Bam!
And today we are saying enough is enough.
Enough! Every
Every one of us has noticed and felt the class differences in this land. Some of us has been badly affected. Manozugo bigo. Right now,
Yes!
We are taking over.
Yes!
We must be noticed.
Yes!
I urge you all beautiful maidens of Isonyenato to please join me. Join me in this fight to order. This fight for our maidens to be recognized and be valued. This fight to claim back what belongs to us.
Yes!
And that we must achieve.
Yes!
Maidens of Isonyenato, woo! We move.
Yes!
Nothing is stopping us.
Yes!
We are powerful.
Yes!
We are strong.
Yes!
We are mighty.
Yes!
And we are unstoppable.
Yes!
We are going to fight and we will win. Today was epic. I never expected the maidens to come out in this multitude to support me. God of our land, I thank you. This shows that every one of them is badly affected but has no one to speak for them.
Yes. Just like what happened to me. I'm sure that a lot of our maidens and mothers are going through all this in the hands of the people that are meant to protect us.
So, believe you me, they are going to come out in their numbers to make sure that we put an end to all this. Am I any different?
Am I any different? I went through unimaginable things in the hands of the man I called my husband. I gave him children. I made his house a home. I gave him everything.
So cool.
There was nothing he wanted that I didn't give him. True, I speak the truth.
I know. Ijewannem. Be grateful for the gods have set you free. This is the beginning of your joy. Everything will be fine. I promise you. And I want to say thank you for standing with me and standing up for yourself. This will be an eye-opener to every maiden who is in abusive marriage.
Ada.
You're free.
Ada,
Amen.
you liberated me from the evil man who was ready to devour my soul. I owe you. I owe you my loyalty. And I will stand with you every step of the way.
So good. Oh, yeah. Hi.
I'm happy you're free.
Adeikuku, Ejema, I have to be on my way, for the energy around here has become unbearable.
God, the old.
Asa, take care of yourself.
Ebusa, please wait. Ada, I have to go too, but I'll come back later.
No, you don't have to come back. I will come and see you. Plus, I want to see the children. It's been long. I love you.
You too.
She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. Hey. And she always stands for what is right. Hey. She is one of a kind. A woman of the people. Hey. Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave.
Chike. What are you doing by this pathway?
I am here pertaining the proposal I made to you for you to be my maiden of my youth and of old age. Please I accept this as a token of love.
Chike, I have told you countless times that until things change, I am not going to give an ear to what you're requesting for.
Kenechukwu, the truth is that I love you so much, and you know it. With this word of yours, it breaks my heart. Please, why are you sounding this way? Why? Look at me. My name is Chike, and you know I love you so much, Kenechukwu. Look at me, am I not man enough to provide for you? To make you smile all day and night, to take care of you till your old age. Look at me now, please.
Chike, the same thing goes to me as a maiden. Am I not of great fertility to give you children and give peace to your hope? Am I not? until things change in Isonyenato, I, Kene, will not enslave myself to any man's bosom, just as a pot of water that can be destroyed at any time and easily replaced with another. Listen to me and listen real good. Do not ever come to me again with such issue. Do you understand? Listen, I believe you heard of Isoma, right? You heard the way her uncle sent her off, torturing her, the pains, the agony, the heartbreak, the tears. You want me to go through the same pain? Do you want me to go through the same heartbreak? You want me to go through the same torture? You want me to cry every day and night because of you? Listen, I will never go through such pain in my life till I die. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Way forward. Are you not afraid of your life? Your name, your family, your reputation, your freedom. Do you want to ruin everything?
What is freedom to you? Why live when you cannot be free and treated fairly? What is a good name when I live for the love of others? Why some people suffer?
Just marry me. Just marry me and all of this will not matter to you anymore.
Do you ever care for Uzomli that you abandoned and follow me, how she feels? Do you even know how she feels right now that she came visiting me instead of her?
Adikuku, you and I know what went down. You know it was not my fault. You know how things work around here.
Your father, the king, is being unfair and someone has to say the right things to him. No. You don't expect me to turn blind eyes in all this happening simply because it doesn't affect me. I can't.
I thought we have gone past this. Why are you bringing it back again?
Uzomili is a good person. Both of you love each other. Her only crime is poverty. Her roots. How is that even fair?
Adekuku, are you saying to me that you are not going to marry me? Is that what you're saying?
You have to choose between the fight of justice which I represent or the fight for the throne which your father, the king, represents. The choice is yours.
Yeah, she's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
What are you doing? Do you think if you put your hand in the fire that the fire will not burn you?
Papa, I don't care if I get burnt or not. The only thing I know is that I'm doing this for the best interest of the maidens of this land.
Do you know what happens to people like you? They are destroyed by the same quest they're asking for. And nobody will remember them anymore.
Papa, I know what I'm fighting for and I know what I stand for. I know that I'm fighting a good cause.
My daughter, I know you are fighting for a good cause. But this thing has been existing for a very long time ago. And nobody has changed it.
Papa, there has never been an existence of class differences in this land. Every maiden of Isoyenato are all equal before the sight of the gods. This whole thing was started by some prominent men who just want to serve their quest and greed for dominance. But this has to stop. Someone has to put an end to it all.
And what makes you believe you are capable of stopping this?
Because I know the gods are with me. I am certain they will not disappoint me on this quest.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave. Yeah. Oh.
Uncle, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
You have to respect me and give in to my will.
Will, did you even listen to yourself? You took possession of what is not yours and you stand before me to speak of it as a man. How is it your will?
Please, just eat your food. You are my niece. And not those rascalized maidens going about this kingdom thinking that they are men. I will decide how you live your life. The food you eat, where you go, and the people you visit in this kingdom.
Uncle, please, let me go. You can have everything you want, but please, just let me go, please.
Not until you obey me. You are not going anywhere!
Uncle, please, let me go. Uncle, please come back.
This is not getting easy at all. It is not getting easy at all. My maiden has been seen as a plague full of infectious diseases. All because she and the other maidens were led to the palace by Adi Kuku.
Yeah. And my maiden also has been taken out of sight by her uncle who refuses to allow me do her wine carrying. It is getting out of hand. This is ridicule on our face.
Yes.
On the faces of the men of this kingdom.
You both need to calm down. Your maidens are not far from your reach. The idea of this unjustifiable injustice was also created by a single maiden of this land. And as you both know, one cannot defeat all.
Well, you can say that because you are at the other end of the human folk.
You will not open that mouth of yours and say one more provocative word to me again. Do you understand?
Well, my apologies. But it's just that I cannot see my maiden suffer.
At all.
I cannot see her suffering because of this whole issue. Okay?
Pain and suffering is what makes love bonds stronger. She gets what she deserves, just the way you do get what you deserve. So go home, both of you.
My friend, thank you. I just want to say thank you for what you did for me. I mean, I wasn't expecting you to do that for me. I wasn't. Going with what happened, that was the last thing I was expecting.
I did not do it for you. I did it for myself. I hated you at the point, and finally I had to advise myself and move on.
So tell me, what happened? What made you change your mind?
The prince and I were in love. I mean, I thought we were happy together. And I thought he loved me so much to be able to fight for the love. But I thought wrong. I do not know why you prefer roasted yam. Next time, I'm bringing you pounded yam. You're not having roasted yam. You like it? No, next time you're having pounded yam. You eat roasted yam a lot. No.
This is so delicious.
Thank you.
You know, I love everything that comes from you. It just feels like having a taste of you.
But we must stay in the hidden so that people cannot know that the prince is saying Uzommili. All because Uzommili is not good enough for the prince.
Oh,
Chai.
come on. Don't say that, my love. You know that I love you and I'm proud of you. I am willing to show you off.
So why do we keep meeting in secluded places? Why can't we walk around holding our hands while people watch us? Why can't you introduce me to your father? Why do we keep hiding?
Timing. Timing, my love. I am waiting for the right time. You know, the right moment.
But that right moment might never come. I'm sick and tired of meeting you in secluded places. I'm sick and tired of having this secret affair. If you're not proud of me, then I guess we should just go our separate ways.
My love, please don't say that. I am proud of you. I love you for who you are. But you know what? I'm going to introduce you to the king. Yes. Come here. Come closer. Listen, I love you so much, and I will do anything within or beyond my power to keep you forever. Okay? Just relax. Give me more. I want more.
Are you sure?
Yes. It just feels like like a communion.
And then you keep having roasted yam. Thank you.
You say your name is?
My name is Uzommili Azuka, the daughter of Mazi Azuka.
Uzommili Azuka, to the best of my knowledge, is the farmer from Abata village, right? What makes you think you are qualified to make this move? What makes you think you are qualified to be here today? No. Who gave you the boldness to believe you can get into anything serious with the prince of the land?
Father, please. Do not toe that route. This maiden right here is the woman for me. And I love her with every single breath in me.
I need you to shut up. I'm not talking to you. Stop disgracing me. I raised you better. Now you listen to me. What makes you believe you can get into the royal circle in this manner? Listen, I need you. Go back to your father and ask him to introduce you to the children of one of his friends. Possibly, one of them may want to make you his wife. You don't have any place here. There is no way somebody like you will be married to the prince and become a princess in this land and possibly the queen. Get out.
Zomili.
Stop disgracing me. Stop bringing royalty to ridicule. Stop it.
Father, I have to be honest with you right now. I am not impressed with what just played out now.
You may not be impressed, and that is because you do not understand the blood that is flowing in your veins. Stop.
Excuse me, Father. Zomili. Zomili.
What is wrong with you?
I think I know what you're about to say, but truly, I'm not ready to listen to it.
Zomili, please hear me out. You see, my father was not at the best frame of mind when he said that. And I do not want you to take it to heart. Okay? I am going to work on this. I'm going to fix this. Trust me.
Was this not the same reason you kept hiding our relationship? Because you knew too well that your father and all his colleagues in the ruling class would never accept me. But you told me you would fight for me, didn't you?
I have not gone back on that promise. I will fight for us. And trust me, I'll make him upturn his words. Trust me on this. I'm working on it.
Then let me know when that is done. Excuse me.
My king, my father, please, Father, please hear me out. Father, I love this maiden and I want to make her my wife. Please.
What kind of stupidity have you allowed to take over you? Are you sick in the head? No. Why are you thinking like a failure? Or are you confirming to me that you are indeed a failure?
Father, you know me too well. Have I ever failed you, Father?
But you are about to fail me by making a mistake that will last you the remaining days of your life. By getting married to a maiden who is not connected in any way in the circle of kings. What is your problem?
Father, I love her. I love her, Father.
Love is absolutely unknown in royal marriages. I need you to get that into your thick head and stop reasoning like a fool. You must be married from a family that is connected to the aristocracy. That is why you are the prince. I have found you a maiden that you are going to marry. The one who is worthy to be married into this family. Her name is Adi Kuku. And I need you to prepare your mind for that. Stop provoking me. Stop provoking me. Because there is no way you are going to marry to that maiden from Abata village. It is not happening.
I was wondering why you asked me to meet you here.
Somili, my father has made things even more difficult for me.
How do you mean?
They're saying that I have to choose between you and the throne.
I guess you're here to tell me that the throne is superior to me, right?
I have not said that. I just told you that they only made things too hot for me to handle.
Well, this is the reason I have decided to leave and be on my own. If you can't make sacrifices for the love we share, why then did you bring me here? Why?
So, Millie, are you suggesting that I pick you over the throne of my fathers? So, Millie, how could you be so selfish? And yet you claim you love me.
Yes, I do. You can't deny the love I have for you. I really do love you, my prince.
Shut up! You are so selfish. I should have known better. My father was right. I am going to pay Kadi Kuku as he has suggested.
How can you speak to me in such way? Why will you tell me something like this? Of course you know I love you. Are you going to throw away everything we both shared, all the love we both shared, all because of a suggestion your father made that has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with love?
Hold on, Millie. There comes a time in a man's life when he must pick between what he must do and what he wants to do. This is my time. And if you love me, like you always say, then it is time to let go. Just leave me alone.
I am confused, my prince. Why have you come to my heart with all of this? What are we celebrating?
It is you that I have come to celebrate.
I don't understand, my prince. I am still confused. You came to celebrate me? But, my prince, we're not even connected to that level. How can you come to my heart to celebrate me?
Listen, that connection can start now, my love.
How do you mean?
You see, you have found favor in the eyes of the prince. And it will be my utmost honor and pleasure if you accept my proposal.
Prince of Isoyenato.
Yes.
I want to understand something. Are you asking me to be your wife?
Exactly. Yes. I am asking that you be the future queen of Isoyenato kingdom. The very envy of every maiden of this kingdom.
I don't know what to say, but honestly, I am so happy. Yes, I will marry you.
Bring the gifts. Bring them. Put it here so that my future queen can see them. I got these for you.
They are so beautiful, my prince.
You love them?
I love them and the colors.
Okay,
Thank you, my prince.
my friend. Today is really a memorable day for me. The moon, the sun, the stars, the entire universe has aligned to my favor. My love, I'll take my leave now.
Go well, my prince.
I'll see you around.
Okay, my prince. Come and see these beauties, my friend. Uzo, come now. Look at these. Uzo, Mary. Wait, she's not happy for me.
I was so pained and hurt. Then I started planning on how to hurt you.
Uzo, look at it this way. I never knew he wanted to marry you. I didn't even know you both were seeing each other. How can you plan to hurt an innocent maiden over something a man did?
I was not thinking straight. And I thank the gods for not allowing me to do something regrettable.
Yes. Thank the gods, because I would have paid for something I didn't know.
And you, what made you change your mind? I knew you were in love with him and you wanted to be his wife. What changed?
So how did you come to such conclusion?
I saw the joy in your eyes when he asked that question. And you didn't even think about it. You said yes outrightly. Why did you change?
You're right. I was so desperate to be his wife. I mean, the queen of this kingdom.
So, why did you change your mind all of a sudden?
So, that would be a story for another day. Look, I will tell you, but definitely not today.
Yeah, I do not understand your behavior. Sometimes you just come up with this behavior that can scare one. Ogenide, what's changed? And you cannot answer, but I've answered all the questions you've asked me.
I will answer you, but not today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave. Oh. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right. She is one of a kind.
Ijemma nwanne. I don't think it's okay for you to be outside now, considering everything you've been through.
Ada, I am fine. He does not deserve to be missed. So don't bother yourself about me. I'm okay.
Jay, I still do not think you're in your right frame of mind to do this with me. Mbaka was not just a husband to you. He was your first love. And you loved this man so much.
Ada, the love died the day he forced himself on me. The love died the day he raised his hands on me for calling for help. He is dead to me. So you see, I am in my right frame of mind. You're fighting a just cause. It is rare to see a maiden of your age stand up for her people. I am here to help you achieve the goal that you have set. Do you hear me?
Look, you are like an older sister I never had. Ije, listen, I will always be here for you. Anytime, any day. Just don't hesitate to call me if you need me.
You think I don't know that? I do. You've proven that to me time and time again. And listen, if I have to spill my blood, if I have to go against anybody to support you, I will, without regrets. I do not want anybody to sabotage your effort. And that is why I want to be with you every step of the way. You hear me? Igurugwai. Odogwai. Yeah.
Nze Benebu,
My king.
I want you to sit your daughter down and talk some sense into her. She is treading on a very dangerous zone. I am going to forget that she is actually your daughter and deal ruthlessly with her if she continues making effort towards making a mockery of my reign.
My king, I've been talking to her, but she wouldn't listen. But I promise you, I'll keep talking.
Nze Benebu, she's your daughter, and you are in the rightful position to put her in her place before things go left. It is only deceit that makes a man say that his child has outgrown him.
I have not said she has outgrown me. How do you think I can say a thing like that before the king? I say I am handling her radical inclination, and I'm sure I'm going to uproot it.
Ichie Benebu, it is true that I want her to be married into this family. Yes, your daughter is a very beautiful woman, but that is not the reason I settled for her. I settled for her because of who she is, because of the family name she bears. I need you to talk to her. Let her stop ganging up against my throne. Let her stop ganging up against my reign, because I am going to deal ruthlessly with her if she fails to define her boundary and restrict herself to it.
My king, I am truly helpless. I will abide by any measure you choose to let her stop. Yes, I will, and I'm ready.
Nze Benebu, when they continue to pick Odala from the basket of Odala, they may never know when they get to the end and discover that the whole Odala is gone. You know exactly what I am saying. Do what you can do, or you will leave me with no other option than do what you know I can do.
Okay, my king.
Bye-bye. Ichie. Ichie Agumba. Greetings, Ichie.
Greetings to you, Ebuka. What's seek you in my compound?
Ichie, I have come to know how the situation is faring. How is this, your man?
Your knowledge of it will not be disapproved by me. But you coming here when she has not succumbed to your marriage with her, I mean, you can only place a suspicion on you having your hands in her decision not to marry you at this moment.
Please, Ichie, with all due respect, I'm sorry to say this, but Ichie, I think it is too much suffering already, okay? She has undergone several punishments and I am not going to take it again. Please, is there not something we can do to mend this and amend this torturing? Isoma has suffered too much, please.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you? Who tortured her in the first place? Ebuka? Tell me, who tortured her in the first place? Were you not the one? Was it not you that tortured her?
Stop it!
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth and be calm.
You will not get away with this. I promise you that you will never get away with this.
Your promises are empty threats. If you know whom you are talking to. You will remain in there as long as it takes for you to be calm and get back to your senses. No, say something. Ebuka, it is because of people like you that these maidens have decided to upturn the norms and constitutional authority of this kingdom.
Ichie, I understand what you are trying to say. I get your plight. But that doesn't have to present any effects on the men and the youth of this community. It doesn't have to. Come to think of it.
Ebuka. If you do not get yourself up as the man that you are, you will be so messed up and reduced to nothing by a male maiden that you chose to marry as wife.
Yes, Ichie. I am sorry from the way I'm speaking right now. I understand your plight, Ichie. I understand everything. But you see, Isoma, she has suffered a lot. Please, Iche, we cannot...
You are becoming too soft at heart. I don't like it. Yeah? And you're becoming so unbearable and accommodating for me. Please, leave my compound. Leave my compound this minute.
But Iche, it hasn't got to this now. Iche, it hasn't got
Leave
to...
my compound, I said.
My question is this. We were all informed that everybody should be here before sunrise. Why is nobody here? That's my question. Look, you are looking. There's nobody coming. Nobody is coming. Why are they not here?
Ma'am, I doubt that anyone will come. If you ask me, I'll say we should just go home and rest.
They can't abandon me now. They can't. We're just getting started. They can't just leave me.
Maidens of this land will not change them. I know them. They were all ready. They were ready to fight. I have a very bad feeling about this. Are you sure that nobody is conspiring against us?
What could that be?
I don't know.
I've not done anything to deserve this from anyone.
Do you think so?
That is what I think, Uzomili. Yes, I think so. Do you think so? You're asking me. But I'm telling you that is what I think.
Well, you're not the one that said it. She's the one that said that.
Can you go just stop this madness? Stop it.
I think you should just calm down. You need to rest. Breathe.
Calm down.
We will
find
everything.
The gods will find out.
Eh?
The gods will find out.
No, we will find out.
The gods will find out.
Which gods? We are here already to do that. You need to rest. Breathe. Calm down. Breathe in and out. Let us
She's the
go. When we
voice
go
of
back
the
and we are settled, we'll go to their
maidens.
huts and know why they didn't come around.
A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
I don't trust Uzomi. I don't trust her.
Why would you say a thing like that?
A maiden that lost the prince to you is a maiden you trust. How? Have you thought about if Uzomili is still bitter about that? You've not thought about it, have you?
But I never knew she has something with the prince. She didn't say a word to me, and I'm certain no maiden in this kingdom has seen them together.
You are correct. But that notwithstanding, you know how our minds work. So many things are creeping into my head. Were you not surprised that the maidens did not show up? Because I am. This maiden, they listen to Uzomili as much as they listen to you. Who knows what she might have told them that made them not to come? Think, my sister, think. Think, Adikuku.
I don't want to believe Uzomili has a hand in this. I have not done anything for her to treat me like that.
Okay. All I'm asking is that you treat her like every other maiden. Do not let her in on everything and give her every information. That's what I'm asking.
She has not given me any reason to just cast her out like that.
You know your heart is pure. You are like water. You don't have an enemy, which is a very good thing. But it will ruin everything you are trying to do if you go about thinking that everybody is like you. That is the part I don't want. No.
Why would
it will ruin everything for you. Listen to me, Ada. I am talking to you. I'm talking to you like an elder sister. I have seen things. I have seen people betray people. Are you going to listen to me? But not to worry. Like I always say, if it means spilling my blood to give you my support, I will. Are there tears in your eyes? Mba, no. Don't cry.
She has no reason to sabotage me this way.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Your big sister is here.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Relax. Relax. Relax.
Chicken,
Kene,
what are you doing here?
I'm actually coming to see you.
Coming to see me?
Kenechukwu, why are you welcoming me with such hostility? Why are you being harsh? I never know you to be a troublesome person since my entire life. What have I done? And why did you suddenly change?
You want to know why I changed? I will tell you. Chike, ever since you made your intentions known to me about marrying me, it became something else. I mean, I don't want to see you anywhere around me. You are frustrating my life. You're making my life miserable. I don't want you anywhere around my heart or around me. Can't you just understand that?
Kene, I love you. You are the woman of my heart. You are everything I need as a woman. Why are you doing this? What have I done to deserve this? Why are you treating me this way? Please. I still remember vividly how we used to be like lovers. We were so close. Why sudden change?
You want to know? I will tell you the reason why every single thing changed. I will tell you that. Chike, you know, whenever I see you, I feel more angry. I feel like hurting you. I feel like doing something so harsh to you. I mean, if you want things to fall back in place, if you want things to get back to normal, then go back to the king and solicit for the maidens of this kingdom. Chike, we are suffering. We are dying. We are going through pains. Our hearts are broken. I am tired of crying morning, night.
Kenechukwu.
Stop. I forbid you from calling my name in full.
I love you.
Chike, keep your love to yourself and leave my compound right now before I do something rash to you. And I mean it.
You are the love of my life.
Okay.
You are my sun. You are my moon. You are the water. You are the air that I breathe. You are everything. You are...
I know.
You are all I have.
I am everything you have.
Yes.
You want to marry me, right?
I want to marry you.
You will go to the king and tell him that Kenechukwu said the maidens of this kingdom are suffering. The maidens of this kingdom are going through pains. The maidens of this kingdom are suffering.
Then I will make you the...
Leave my compound! Leave my compound! Don't yalla!
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave.
Welcome, my prince.
I heard what happened today. You have now become an object of mockery. Even the people you are fighting for now laugh at you.
So you have come to my father's compound to sit and mock me too, huh?
Adikuku, the truth, they say it is bitter, but only those who care about you will tell you the truth either way. How did you even think you were going to pull this through? I mean, what were you even thinking? What was the plan? Tell me.
What do you mean by that?
Listen, you are a woman and you are working with women. And you and I will agree that women will always be women. Let me tell you something. Women always go against each other. They never support each other. They are envious, they are jealous. It is not possible for this to happen. Adikuku, you are fighting a fruitless war.
I am not fighting a fruitless war. I represent fruitfulness. I am a woman. I represent progress. I represent future and life.
What is it? Adikuku, listen to me. Things do not work that way. Just quit and get married to me and all of this would be in the past. Yeah, but
I can see you've pinched your tent. It's obvious you will never change. Prince of Isonyenato, leave my father's compound and never return.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave. Yeah, oh. Yeah. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always be.
Have you seen what I've been warning you against? Look at what you brought upon yourself. The humiliation. The entire village laughing at you. How do you feel about it?
My mother taught me that nothing good comes easy. And I must find out who is against my agenda. I am not about to give up anytime soon.
If you do not give up, I'll be forced to give you up.
Just so you know, my father, I didn't wake up and started doing all this. I gave it a long period of time. And I know that I must do this to restore peace and sanity in my kingdom.
What?
I am doing the right thing, Father. I know I am. Nobody will stop me. Not even the king.
Are you mad?
Maybe I am mad. Okay, maybe I have lost my senses. But if losing my senses is going to bring this kingdom to sanity, if it's going to bring the right thing to the right places, so be it. Okay, for Zana, cause so be it. That's what I want.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens.
I've warned you, and I'm still warning you. The fight you're about to start is bigger than you. But you wouldn't listen.
She's so brave.
She only wants the best for us. She's losing everything just to fight for us. She's not selfish. If she were to be selfish, she would just leave us, get married to the prince, and have a happy home.
It's a lie. She is still seeing the prince. She's still planning to marry the prince. She's just using us to gain her selfish desire.
Exactly. That is not true. I know her too well. She is my friend. And she'll never do that to us.
Ladies of Isonyenato, I greet you all.
Hey, Chenu, where are you all going? Let us hear her out. Ogininu, come back. Ndudi, even you. Here. Hey.
Who went wrong?
Ha.
Eh? What went wrong? I thought I had everything under control. I prayed before the altar of Ogugu before embarking on this journey. What is going on?
Don't worry. The same gods will answer your prayer.
everything will be fine. Oh, I am here with you. Everything will be fine.
They feel that you just want all of them for your own selfish gain. You're doing all this for you.
Mwah.
How?
I don't know who told them that.
Yes, that is the question. Who told them?
Mom?
Omukinaju. Who told them, Uzomili? And I have a question for you too. Why are you here first? Are you not supposed to wait? Why did you get here first? Is there something you want to tell us?
Do not even.
Now, tell us, let's hear.
What sort of talk is that? What does that mean?
Hey.
Bikokwa, I don't want to start with you. I had to come here first to calm everywhere, to calm the air.
And you call
before
this
she
calmness.
arrives.
You call this calmness.
What do you want me to do?
You have calmed them. They have walked away.
Hey, Jema.
This is how you calm them.
Stay on your own.
Don't worry. Go home and rest. I will fight
Have you seen what you've done?
I am behind you.
Solidly. Ijema. Look at my way.
Your pretenders will kill you.
I don't even. You're a pretender. You're the one.
I am strong, I am wise, I represent productivity. I am Adikuku. Whatever I set to do, I must achieve. I am not a failure. I am not a failure. I represent progress, future. I will get to the root of this. I must get to the root of this.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave.
Chike, what just happened? Why didn't you just say a word to a maiden you love and you want to call your wife? Just let her pass. She didn't even say a word to us. What is going on?
Ebuka, it has gone beyond her being my friend.
What is it?
All she sees in me now is like a wood eaten by a cankerworm. Like nothing is in me again for her to see.
Wait, I just don't understand what you're saying.
Ebuka, she chased me out of her compound the other time with cutlass. I mean a very sharp one at that.
Who? Kene chased you with cutlass.
Ebuka, you make me look stupid.
You are stupid.
Am
now.
I stupid to you?
You are stupid now. Kene chased you with...
Why am I looking so stupid to you? Am I asking you for anything? I'm telling you that she chased me out of her compound with a very sharp cutlass.
This is exactly what I have been saying. The maidens of this land need to be curbed and addressed and put in their places where they belong.
Ebuka, when you say curbed and addressed, what do you mean by that? I don't understand. What do you mean by curbed and addressed? Ebuka, I'm talking to you. Can you mean by curbed and addressed? Can you mean by that? What does that mean?
You need to be a man. Yes.
Ebuka, do you even know the meaning of curbed? Curbing a lady that you love. Do you even know what it means?
Do you like what she just did to us now, me and you?
Ebuka,
you are even confused. You don't know where to go again.
Why are you doing all this? Why have you refused to accept the fact that she has our best interest at heart? Why? She has nothing to gain in all this. Her father is wealthy and influential. Why can't you just see it?
Why is she trying to help us if she has nothing to gain? Or is she bored?
Well, this is the same question I keep asking myself. But she's the only one that knows why she wants to help us. But trust me when I say she has good intention.
That was not what we were told.
What were you told? And who told you?
Forget you heard anything from me. But I'll get back to you on this.
Who is this one trying to tarnish her image?
What is going on? What is happening? What is going on? What happened?
We are here to pledge our solidarity and undying loyalty to you. We are ready to fight so we can all put an end to this.
But you promise us that you will never leave us, no matter what happens.
You will never abandon us.
We are ready to stand by you.
Yes.
Fight with you.
Yes.
Cry with you. And laugh with you.
Yes! That is what I am talking about! Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato, I am proud of each and every one of you. I am so grateful. This is a sign that the gods of Isoyenato Kingdom, whom I prayed to before embarking on this journey, is with us.
Yes!
And I promise you, we will win this fight.
Yes!
We will conquer.
Yes!
Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato Kingdom, it's time for action. It's time to take the bull by the horn.
Yes!
Who is ready?
We are ready!
Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato, the ruling class, or whatever they are called, they will know what it means for women to unite together and fight. They will feel the power of women when they unite together to achieve a cause. This kingdom, this community, this village will know the value of women.
Yes!
The value of each and every maiden in this kingdom.
Yes!
Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato Kingdom, the time has come. I was never expecting this to happen so soon, but the gods did it. The gods did it! May the gods of our land be praised!
Ise! So, what next?
I don't even know what to say. My heart is filled with happiness. I don't know where to start from. But look, in the next Afro Market Day, we will have to reassemble, so we will discuss more on what to do. I mean, the way forward.
Yes.
Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato, I am proud of each and every one of you. We will win this fight.
Yes!
We will win this fight.
Yes!
The ruling class must stop.
Yes!
Equality in our land.
Yes!
Thank you all. Thank you.
She's the voice of the maidens.
Who is this fickle child that becomes a name that she does not know how to mention it? Oh, Adi Kuku. You are stepping into borders that your legs will be too heavy to carry you back. What nonsense is this? That you have brought your fickle gods into my compound.
We demand to see our friend and maiden Isioma. We have not seen her mingle with other maidens in this land just because of you. You have decided not to let her have a say in her life.
I will pretend you are not here because of Isioma. And I warn you all to leave my compound before I get back to this place.
We are not living without Isioma Ichiagumba.
Adaikuku, I can see you're daring me. You daughter of Nze Benebu.
That is my father's name, but I'm not my father. I am only his daughter. Maidens, go there and search for Isioma because she's one of us.
One more word from you without bringing out all your manipulative maidens. The sound of this gun will be the last sound you will hear.
Adikuku, she's not here.
Where is Isioma Ichiagumba?
You have one more chance to go home and ask your father that useless question. Else, this gun I'm holding will teach any of you how to do it.
Maidens, let's go.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden.
Ada, Adikuku. So what next? What's wrong? What's with all this?
Some of us has to go and search for her. We shall convey at the square after that.
Alright, we'll all disperse one by one in search of her. I think you should go this way. Okay. Come with me. Okay.
Where are we? Please, where are you taking me to? Where? Help me!
Don't say anything. Don't say a word. You are the king. Don't say a word.
Father, from what I have gathered, Adikuku is gradually gaining momentum. And as a matter of fact, all the maidens in Isonyenato are gradually turning their faces towards her, thereby leading them to trusting their fate in her hands.
Ezenea, I need you to do whatever you can do to disorganize whatever plan that they have, but not a scratch on her body. You know why? She is going to be weighing in Isio and she must not have any scratch.
Father, stubbornness will always lead to brutality, Father.
Save your brutality for the battlefield. She is only a mere woman. Their brains fickle. What is your problem? You should know all these things as one who is raised in royalty. Or am I supposed to be teaching you everything?
I'll do my best, Father.
I am not expecting you to do just your best. I am expecting you to do more because your best may not actually be enough. Go out of your way. Find out whatever you must do to disorganize whatever plans that they have and ensure it yields no result. Can you do that?
Yes, Father.
That is exactly what I want you to do. You go all out and achieve that result.
I'll do just that, Father.
Thank you.
I'll take my leave now.
You did not see me. Iforom. Ijema. What is it? What is what? What is all this? How dare you? What is it that you're scheming that you're not involved in? Tell me.
Pia, Pia, Pia. Let this be the last time you lay your filthy hands on me. Else
what? Else what? Answer me. Uzomili. You can carry yourself about as much as you want. But let me ask you. Do you really think there's something you can do to me? No, I want to know. Hey. Something tells me that you're scheming against Adeekuku. Do you mind telling me what is it you're scheming?
Well, if you must know, I think you are the one scheming something. Because the meeting went simply very well, all because we did not invite you. Tell me, what are you scheming? Because I'll find out. I must find out.
Adeekuku is my friend. Best friend. She stood by me through thick and thin. So tell me, what in the name of the gods gave you the guts to think in your silly head that I will scheme against such a soul? Tell me.
Are you done talking?
Yes. Now I need an answer.
I'm going to find out. Simni Rupo! Biko!
Ishiagumba, you are welcome one more time. But it seems your heart is troubled once again. What is it?
My king, you are wise and knowledgeable enough to know that my heart is troubled and I'm bereaved.
And what is it that troubles you this time? Can you at least let it out?
My king, I almost shot a maiden in this kingdom. Yes, she has trespassed into my compound several times. Uninvited, unannounced.
Who is this maiden who will not respect the fact that you are a council member and will be trespassing into your compound? Who is the maiden?
That maiden is Nze Ibenebu's daughter. She has the guts to invade my compound with her fellow maidens. Just looking for what is not theirs. If not for leniency and perseverance, my king, Nze Ibenebu would have been mourning her daughter and every other maiden that accompanied her to my compound.
Ishiagumba, I sincerely want to thank you for the maturity you showed by not doing what you thought was right, by shooting somebody. It actually goes to show that you are indeed a strong member in council. It is a fact that Adikuku's misconduct is very concerning. It actually is very, very concerning. You are not the only one who is complaining. Thank you for the majority.
My king, that is why I have come to inform you, so that notice will be given to every house in this kingdom.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. And I want to thank you one more time for the maturity you exhibited.
Thank you, my king.
It goes a long way to show you are indeed a man in council.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, I want to leave now.
It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Adikuku, Adikuku. You are going to provoke somebody one day and they will just waste your life. What is wrong with this maiden?
The power we have when we unite together as women is something that cannot be stopped. Even the gods will obey. And that is why they are suppressing us, pitching us against one another so we will not unite together and take that which belongs to us. It is time to stand firm, strong, together, and win this fight. This is water and salt. Water is life, and salt is the life of the earth.
She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave. Oh. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right. She is one of a kind. A woman of the people. Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden.
Now we need to take a stand, and we need to stand strong. If you believe in this movement and you're ready to do all it takes to bring sanity, peace, and equality in this land, I want you to raise one hand up and the other down, because we are moving up and forward.
I decided to give you audience because I see anger in your faces. What is the problem?
Your Majesty, my wife-to-be has suddenly cancelled our upcoming marriage, saying that the ruling class must make things right.
What did you just say?
Your Majesty, the one I love, a maiden from the ruling class, the one who has always been excited with me, has just cancelled our upcoming engagement. That the ruling class must dismantle the inherited structure that creates discrimination in marriage.
My king, there is a problem in the land. The maidens are waging war against the men of this land. And something needs to be done about it, my king. My wife-to-be, the woman I truly cherish, has refused to communicate with me. She has cancelled the marriage rites that I was supposed to go and do.
My king, my wife don't want me to play with her again, all because of Adikuku. I even threatened me that he want to go back to her father's house.
Listen, young man. I feel your pain. I am not going to sit here and tell you that I don't know what you are complaining. It's something we are handling. I have already detailed my son to look into that matter and see how the structure that Adekuku has set up is going to be dismantled. With this report I'm getting from you now, it simply means that he has not actually done that. Thank you for giving me this feedback. I am going to do something about it.
Thank you, my highness.
Thank you.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, sir.
Ezania, why are you giving me the impression that you are doing something and the reports I am getting suggest you are doing nothing?
With all due respect, my prince, I do not see a reason why you should remind me of your father's proclamation against my husband.
Ijema, you know you will agree with me that this kingdom is gradually becoming a rebellious place for anyone to live in. Because of your friend's constant conspiracy towards the throne. I mean Adikuku.
A maiden who means well for her land, a maiden who is fighting a just cause, and you refer to that as being rebellious, my prince.
What just cause is she? Are you people talking about? Ijema, look at yourself. Take a good look at yourself. Among all these maidens that you hang out with, you are the only one with 2 children. Think about it. You see, if my father makes any more proclamations against the rebellious maidens, you will suffer for it the most. Your children may never even see you again. Think about it.
My prince, are you threatening me? Is that a threat to my remaining household?
No, it is not a threat. It is a warning. Ijema, my father is beginning to lose it because of your friends and your rebellious gang. Think about your children. Ijema, you still have the love and attention of your children. Don't be foolish.
Yeah. As much as I do not want to be foolish, I still think that my friend Adekuku is fighting a just cause. And, my prince, there is nothing absolutely to think about. And if you may excuse me, I would like to leave.
Ijema, don't be foolish. Do the right thing. You know the right thing. Do it. What is wrong with this maid?
Greetings, my king.
You may be seated.
Thank you, my king.
Nze Ibedebu, You are not just an onyenze in this land. Apart from being a man in council, you are my personal friend. There is a level of loyalty I'm expecting from you that I am not getting.
My king, I have always been very loyal to you. I've always been dedicated to anything that concerns this land. I've always tried to make sure that things are done in your favor.
So why are you allowing your daughter to be the one destroying my reputation? Why are you not stopping her? Or do you want it to be recorded in history that it was during my reign that the revered aristocracy of Isioyenato got destroyed by women?
My king, I've really been talking to her. But she's stubborn. She's as stubborn as her late mother.
But she is your daughter. I need you to talk to her because she is going to listen to you. Let her understand that she cannot destroy the structure we have set in Isioyenato. Let her know that she cannot destroy the aristocracy of this land. If not, that I gathered, she has gone to the central deity. I would have dealt with her ruthlessly.
Now you understand what I've been talking about, my king. She first went to the central deity and caged everyone. Please, let's be handling this thing very carefully. I beg of you. Have you seen what I've been warning you about, but you wouldn't listen? Have you seen where stupidity is causing your fellow maidens?
Nam, welcome. Maybe I should get you water to drink and calm down first.
Adikuku, this is no time for play or joke. A maiden has just been raped. And all the fingers are being pointed at you. And all the blame's on you.
Papa, I don't understand. A maiden raped in Isonyenato. How is that even possible? Papa, this has never been heard of before. It has never happened before. What are you talking about?
All these things started when you started your madness. And the men are obviously angry with you.
Banon. No now. Father, this is not on me. This is not on Adikuku. Okay? The council of elders and the king need to do something about this, and real quick. I have nothing, absolutely nothing to do with this.
Adikuku, stop what you are doing and everything will stop. That is what I want you to do now.
Maiden raped in Isonyenato kingdom. Oh, this one is not good. This is not good. This is not good. I was on my way to your house. You heard about the meetings, right? I did. I heard it. I don't know. I don't understand it.
Why is all this happening? What is going on?
I think someone is trying to make me stop.
I know that. But the question that needs an answer is, are you going to stop?
I can't think. I can't think right now. My greatest fear is that the maidens of Isarinato doesn't come for me because of this.
But they all know that it's not your fault.
This has never happened. So, have you ever heard of it before? In Isarinato, a maiden being raped. I've never heard of it, so tell me why now? Why now that I've decided to fight against the wrongs of the stupid, whatever they call it, ruling class? Like, why now?
You need to calm down. We need to find a way to deal with this immediately. We need to make it stop. Biko.
Ebuka, how did you know the maidens are paying me visit today?
Iche, my source reached out to me at the early part of the day.
And who is this your source?
Iche, it's someone I wouldn't want to let out his name or her name.
Oh, you don't want to reveal your source, yet you want to marry my niece?
Iche, it's not like that.
Go and get me fresh palm wine. I need to calm down. I need to cool myself.
I will do that, Iche.
I trust you.
Let me get my beads and my...
No problem. Remember I said fresh palm wine.
I will, sir.
I'm expecting you.
Beautiful maidens of Isarinato, I greet you all.
We greet you. Listen, this is what they want from us. They want us to get scared and surrender so that they can continue doing the evil acts without anyone questioning them.
Now I have interacted with most men in this village, and they are all in support of what we are doing. They want us to have a kingdom where everyone is equal. Just very few are not in support of us, and they are the problems we have in this kingdom.
But if we unite, we must succeed.
Yes.
We are women.
Yes.
Smart, brave, intelligent, and above all, strong.
Yes.
So we need to fight together. We do not want them to continue calling us mere women, mere cowards who cannot do anything. We need to fight. We need to fight to finish.
Ndudi,
who did this to you?
There were two men. They tried to rape me.
Hey!
They said that since we tried to challenge them, that they will kill us.
Hey!
I managed to escape.
Hey!
All I wanted was for everyone to be happy. For everyone, both the poor and the powerless, to have a balance in the land. What did I do wrong? What is wrong with my quest? Why will anyone be restricted to love simply because of the background they came from? Nobody, no man or woman chooses the Obi they will be born into. Why are they doing this to me? What is wrong with my quest?
Adikuku, You have to take it easy on yourself. You cannot save the entire world.
Uzo.
Wait. Sit down. She needs to get used to seeing us together. You must not go after her.
I shouldn't be with you at this moment. I should be out there looking for solution to this mess.
And you think you can do it alone? Listen, you need me. Let me help you. Let me help you.
My prince, you were never there. Uzo Millie has been there. She's been my rock. She's been my strength. If there is someone I need right now, it should be her.
Listen.
I'm not doing this.
Uzo! Uzo Millie!
She's the voice of the maiden.
She's really daring the administrative structure of this kingdom. Let's see where that takes her.
She's so brave.
Uzo! Are you okay? What is wrong?
I'm alright. There's nothing wrong.
But you're crying. How can you be alright and be crying?
I am not crying. Can you please mind your business, Rapomaka?
Hey, Chidi, hey. I really intend to mind my business, but is it the prince? I saw the prince going to Adekuku's hut as usual. Is that the reason you're crying?
Why can't you just mind your business and leave me alone? Oginidi!
Wait. I really want to mind my business, but I have one advice for you, and it's from a concerned soul. Listen to me, Uzo. Adekuku's father is very wealthy and influential. She can get anything she wants. Whatever she sets her mind on it, she can get it because her father is rich, but yours. I can't say same for you. So you see, this thing you're fighting for, it will never come back. I know you had a thing for the prince and all, but it will never come back. So why don't you just move on? Oh?
Who asked you all this?
Ajomgi? Nobody did. Nobody asked me. But like I said, I'm only being concerned. I don't even know why you're wasting all this beauty crying over the prince. Ima, do you know how beautiful you are? I'm sure you don't. But, like I told you before, Adekuku is like the princess of this land. And she can get... Have you seen her? No, just take a close look at her. If you were a man, will you not die for her? You would. But still, you are pretty. So, move on and let the prince be, oh?
Isi Adirogima. You could get out of my sight.
Uzo! Achalugo! Uzo! Uzo!
The more you do this, the more you let me know that you don't even know. Uzo! Just stop.
Please, just let me be. Rapumanka, leave me alone. I don't want to listen to any of your explanations.
Uzo, why are you doing this? Listen, why are you feeling let down? Why?
Adikuku, so in the midst of all this, you still find time to spend with him? How could you?
What? Uzo, listen. You think this is easy for me? Is that what you think? Do you even know what I'm going through? Do you have an idea? I was vulnerable. This man came to me. I needed to talk to someone. I just needed to pour out how I feel.
Okwia, but I've been with you in all this. We've been going through all this together. And then you went to spend time with one who is possibly the reason we're in this mess. You chose him to be your consolation. Why?
Uzo, listen, okay? You know very well that I appreciate you. I value you. I value I value our friendship. How can you even doubt that? Please, my friend, don't let this come between us. Please, I beg you. Uzo now. Ndo, I'm sorry. Ndo now. Leave me alone.
Let me go! Let me go! Leave me alone! Get your hands off me! Abumaka, leave me! Leave me alone! What is it? Huh? Why would you ask him to bring me here, drag me as if I'm a thief? Did I steal anything from you?
Why did you refuse my invitation?
Leave me alone. What do you want from me?
Listen, Ozomili. You know that it was not my fault that we did not end up together. You know this. Because I've always loved you.
I know that very well. Can I leave now?
Ozomili.
Ogini.
You're still as beautiful as always. Listen, and I honestly regret not fighting for us.
Yet you chose the one that matters to you the most. Hmm? You did. What is it? Stop acting like you care. What is it?
You know that I always cared about you. Listen, all I ever did was to end up with you. But you see, I was powerless at that time. There was nothing I could do. It was way beyond my control. Listen, your friend Adikuku listens to you, and I need your help now. Okay? I need to get through Adikuku, and you must help me. Please.
What do you want me to do?
I saw her,
Mm-hmm.
and this is not the first time I'm seeing her here. I think she's hiding something.
Please, Biku, I need you to help me find any information that will help me. Oh, please, I really... Don't worry. Here. I'll be waiting.
A good job.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey,
Bam, bam, bam.
fearless maiden. Hey.
Bam, bam, bam. EJ man.
She's so brave.
EJ man. EJ.
Oh.
It seems she's not home. What do we do now?
You can go alone.
I really wanted her to come along. Hey, where could she be?
Oh,
Here she comes.
here you are.
Beautiful maidens of our land. Adekuku Nwanne. Uzomili, your faces are not bright.
I was hoping that the sky has been blue to you today. I hope all is well.
We are going to the king's palace. We want to meet him because of the recent happenings on our maidens. He has not been doing anything to such evil. So that's why we're going, and we need you to come along.
Yes. Yes. Why hasn't he said anything? He hasn't even done anything. He cannot just turn a blind eye on what is happening to us. It is ridiculous. But I will not be able to come along with you. Yes. I took my children to my mother's place and I am supposed to see them today. Oh?
But you can go when we return.
On a second thought, Ada, Uzo, I have a whole lot to do today before going. But trust me, once I'm back, I will come because I want to know the situation of things. I want to know what the king thinks about what is happening to us. But you will have to go without me. Biko Munem. Biko.
Uzo. She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
Adikuku, I've told you before and I'll tell you again. I do not trust Ijema. She's definitely hiding something.
And why would you say a thing like that?
Because she will always hide when matters like this arises. She will never want to get involved. Yet she claims to always support you. How?
Ijema has been through so many things. I can understand she has not been herself ever since she lost her husband.
Nem, look beyond the surface. Please. I'm so sure that Ijema is not really happy with you.
Enough. Enough, please. Let's discuss why we're here.
I say so. Don't say I will not warn you.
My king, we understand that you're doing your best. But we're so afraid and worried. These evil men committing these atrocities are not spirits. They are human beings. Human beings that can be captured and brought to justice. All we are asking you to do is to put more effort before things go out of control.
Adikuku, I warned you. I warned you to stop this useless campaign of yours, but you wouldn't listen. All this started as a result of the useless campaign you have to change the marriage structure of Isio Yanato. I don't know exactly what you are planning to achieve. And can't you stop this and allow things go back to the way they were?
Onyeze, if the raping of the maidens of Isonyinato kingdom does not stop, the maidens of Isonyinato kingdom will rise. And when we do, no man born of a woman will be able to stop us. On God, Onyeze, it is going to be disastrous.
How dare you? Adikuku, do not capitalize on the fact that you are a daughter of the ruling class of Isio Yanato to feel you can threaten the king. Don't!
Onyeze, all I'm trying to do is express how I feel. It's all about my feelings. This is not too much to ask. Equality, balance in the land, rights. That's all. The discrimination is becoming too much. It's becoming alarming. I don't think this is too hard for you, the king, to grant.
You know exactly why I am letting you go after this, Adikuku. Don't push me. Because I am going to forget the fact that you are a daughter of the ruling class. I am going to forget the fact that I see you as a daughter and I'm going to deal with you ruthlessly. Stop pushing me to the wall, Adikuku. For all the people that pushed me to the wall, they disappeared by that wall. Get out of my face. Get out of my face!
She's the voice of the maidens. fearless maiden.
They really have the nerve.
Oh, she's so brave.
I can swear with my life that the king has a hand in it.
So you don't have to say that. I don't think so.
Adekuku, how can you be saying this? I'm even surprised that you could not hear or see his involvement through his words. Anyways, my own is that I am happy that we've reported the problem to the creator of the problem. So we'll watch and see.
The king is not a fool. He's only a fool that will commit such an abominable act. Look, the gods are not blind, okay? They will rise, and when they do, even the king will feel their wrath.
Hold it right there!
What's going on here?
Seize them.
What is all this about?
Prince of Isonyenato, what is the meaning of this?
I said seize them, are you deaf?
Don't you dare! Leave me alone! Don't you dare touch me! Let me go.
Bring this one. That's all we need.
You will have to fight me first before...
Bring her!
My prince! You will regret this! You will regret this!
Father, there's something I need to bring to your notice.
I'm listening.
Father, there comes a time where we have to take the bull.
What is going on? What is going on?
I have Adekuku in the palace. That's exactly what I was about to tell you.
Maidens of Isonyenato, I want to thank you for coming before me. I need you to understand something. I am doing my best as king to make sure that the perpetrators of this evil are caught and brought to justice. I am on it, and trust me, I am going to deliver.
May you live long, my king. We appreciate your kind words. But my king, our leader, Adekuku, is held against her wish by the Prince of Isonyenato, and that's why we are here.
Well, I am in the position to confirm to you that Adekuku is in the palace. But she is not here as a prisoner, like you may be thinking. Adekuku is here in her individual capacity as a daughter of the soil, who has the palace as a second home. She is not here as a prisoner.
Long live my king. Please, my king. Can we see her to make sure she's doing great, just like you said?
Of course. God, go and bring Adekuku. Inform her that the maidens of this land are here to see her. Come with her. What is going on? Is this why you are dressed like this?
My king, we are angry.
As if there is a ritual going on. No. Here she comes. Adekuku. Thank you for coming to answer this call. These are the maidens of Isonyenato who have come to shake up on you. I want you to tell them that you are fine and that there is nothing wrong with you in the palace.
Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato Kingdom, I greet you all.
We greet you.
I am happy. This means a whole lot to me, and I promise I will not take this for granted. And yes, I was held against my wish, but I'm okay now. I will also want to live with the beautiful maidens of Isonyenato only if the king permits.
Of course. Oh yes, you are free. You are free.
Father.
Shall we, my maidens?
Yes.
I am so happy. Thank you all
She's
for
the
coming.
voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave. Yeah. Oh. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right. She is one of a kind.
What has come over you? How can you do something like this without consulting me? Does it mean you don't understand the place of women in this land? Are you telling me as a prince you don't know the position women hold in this kingdom?
I'm sorry, Father, but I cannot sit back and watch them succeed. What? Father, if these people succeed, they are going to realize their powers and they are always going to use it against the throne.
There is a way things are done. As the one who is going to become king after his father, you are expected to apply wisdom always. What is this?
Father, the spirits, the gods, and the forces that guides the throne are always watching after me.
Maybe I have to tell you this. You see those maidens? They represent fertility in this land. That is why the goddess of fertility does not joke with them. The gods cannot be with us when the land is not fertile. You must learn how to treat women with caution. Because when the spirit of Umuada rise against any kingdom, the men hardly survive it.
Father, believe me when I tell you this. These are not women.
What is wrong with him?
These are mere maidens that were brought up with zero respect and lack of home training.
Can you stop using stupid argument to sustain a very dangerous practice? Stop it already. Asanya, I am not going to warn you again. Stop immediately. Stop.
What am I paying you for? What am I paying you for if you can't do a job as simple as this? Something small that anybody can do. What sort of incompetence is this? She's even gaining more followers, gaining more respect, and you are here. Are you even men? Look at you.
What else do you want us to do? Huh? What else do you want us to do? We have been raping maidens all around the village. One have even died in the process. Was that not what you asked us to do?
Did I dare to kill anybody? Did I dare to kill anybody? Her blood is on your hand.
You lie. You hear me? You lie. The blood of every maidens who have died is in the hands of the one who initiated this evil.
May the gods forbid. You're not on my hand. Stop saying that rubbish. What is this fool talking about?
Please,
talk to him.
Please, can we stop calling each other names? We have done everything he asked us to do. What do you want us to do again? It is now left for you to do the remaining job. I don't know all this stuff.
They believe her so much. You need to see the way they believe her. They believe her much more than the gods. I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Eh?
You see what I'm trying to say? Even the ghosts of the land can't stop them. What else do you want us to do again?
Shut up your mouth. Even the gods cannot stop them. I will stop them. Yes, I will stop them. What is wrong with him? If you don't have anything good to say, shut up. Let us plan well. Eh? See.
Are you ready to succumb to my demand? To marry Ebuka?
I will not marry Ebuka until he does what I asked him to.
The earlier you realize that you are just a maiden who will live the rest of her life submissively to her husband, the better for you to stop all the suffering that you are befalling yourself and come back to your senses.
And it will be over my dead body to allow you to take my bride price. I would rather remain single till the day I die.
Ebuka. I will allow you to talk to your man. So feel free to do that.
Obin, how are you faring?
Don't you dare ask me that question. Because if you are man enough, you wouldn't have allowed my uncle to inflict so much pain on me. I'm so much disappointed in you, Ebuka.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare call me that again. Not in your life.
Ebuka, what is eating you up from inside? I feel piteous for her. For her? Who might that be? Who if not Isioma? Ebuka, don't tell me that you are not happy that her uncle is helping you cope the madness that all those maidens have propagated into the heads and the mind of all the maidens in this entire kingdom. That is madness, right? Yes, Chike, but I am not talking about that. So what are you talking about? I am the one helping her uncle to curb that madness. What? Ebuka, you of all people should know that it's very dangerous for you to do that to the maiden you love, the person you want to call your wife. Will you keep it down? Dan? Keep it down. That's why I never wanted to tell you in the first place. I never wanted her to send me on this errand to go to the palace and talk to the king about this their madness. And you think this grievous sin you impounded on her is not more than doing what she wants you to do? Chike, she will never know. Alright? No one will tell her. In fact, you, me, and her uncle are the only persons who are holding this secret now. Ebuka. Ebuka. What is the meaning of this, Adikuku?
Where is she?
Why are you blocking my way?
Where are you hiding, Isioma?
Who? If you do not leave my way this moment, you may regret it. What is the meaning of this?
Now I am going to ask you one more time. And if you don't speak the truth, you're dead. Where did you keep Isioma?
What nonsense is going on here?
You will not hurt any of us anymore. The gods of Isoyonato will not allow you to do that. Take her away! Maidens, move!
could you let this happen? You're just as weak as those maidens.
It is not my fault, Iche. They ambushed me.
She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
Selma, somebody will take you home and take care of you. You're safe with her.
I'll do just that, Adikuku.
Thank you all for coming to rescue me. Thank you. I'm so grateful.
You're welcome.
She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right.
My king, things are really getting out of hand. If nothing is done, this land will be in a terrible shape.
We used to live in peace in this land until your daughter's madness. Yes, that is what happens when parents refuse to train their daughter well.
Ichi Agumba, I want you to watch your words very carefully before I break your head with this stick. Right before the king.
Before you break my head, can you do it?
I can do it.
I said, can you do it?
Enough!
Are you
enough,
my head?
enough of
Break
this,
it!
Enough of this
I said,
nonsense you do.
My king.
Are you sick in the head or what? Two maidens are dead in the kingdom where you are elders and council, and this is what I get? Stop immediately.
Father, I think that things are no longer the way we think they are. It has gone way beyond our thoughts. And we must swing into action with immediate effect. Else, we will lose more maidens.
Is this not what he should say as an elder in council instead of talking rubbish and nonsense? We're here to make sure that this problem is solved in such a way that our land will be free. Why do we sit down here portioning blames to ourselves like fools?
Listen, whoever that is behind this, wherever they are, we are going to find them. Yes. And we are going to spend one moon killing them slowly.
Gods of Isonyenato, where are you? Where are you? How can you all watch this abomination happen in Isonyenato? Eh? How? Where is your powers that we were told about? Where is your rage? Where is your justice and payback? For how long will this continue? Why do the maidens have to suffer like this? Why?
Adaikuko, if the gods are not willing to help us, then we need to help ourselves. We need to stand up and defend ourselves since the gods are silent. We need to do this on our own. Not just sit and watch.
How do you mean? Uzomi, how do you mean? Help ourselves, how? You say it like it's easy. The perpetrators of this evil act may be too dangerous to handle. Hence, I suggest that we leave them to the hands of the gods. Don't you understand? How do you mean we help ourselves?
From the way things are going, the maidens of this land are beginning to lose their faith in Adikuku. Rumors are going that she caused all this.
That is why I will not give up. Never. I will keep calling on the gods until they rise and set the record straight. Because I know they will. I am certain they will. I know they can hear me. I know they can see everything that is happening. And I know they will answer me. I am doing all this because I know discrimination came from mortals and never from the gods. What I don't understand is why the maidens have to suffer. I don't understand it. I don't. But I know the gods will come to my... They will come to my aid. Definitely.
Ozugo. Be strong.
What happened?
I saw them men covered with masks. They wanted to attack me, but I escaped.
Where are they? No. Come show me where. I'm not afraid of anyone. Tell me where are they?
Calm down. Since we've known their antics, we need to calm down and plan.
Were they with guns?
No.
How many were there?
Two.
Just two?
With knives, no guns.
Please tell me the particular place you saw them. What's up? What did you say happened? Who? What happened?
Nothing happened.
What? I heard you say something.
Nothing happened. We are fine. Just go home.
I'll be going now. See you
Uzo,
later. Nothing happened. We are
be
fine.
careful.
We are careful.
This is too much. I am not going to take this anymore. I will get to the root of this. I will get to the root of this.
Yes. Yes, you will. You will get to the root of it. Yes.
All I have done for you is for you to become a better person in the future. But what do I get back in return? Adikuku, why do you want to ruin your life?
This was never my fault.
People who ordinarily could not speak in my presence are now pointing their fingers at my eyes, all because of you. Ada Ikuko, why are you so stubborn like this?
What would you have me do? Baba, tell me, what would you have me do? I am sorry that everything turned out this way, but I am not doing anything wrong. I am doing everything I'm doing for the progress of the maidens of this kingdom. In wars, there are always casualties. There is nothing anybody can do about this.
You better stop this your madness, or you cease to be my daughter.
As long as I'm doing something right, there is nothing you will say nor do that will make me quit. Nothing. This is my purpose, and I will fulfill it.
She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
What will make you stop?
Nothing.
Adi Kuku. The maidens you claim to be protecting are dying in numbers on a daily basis. Are you not going to stop?
Is that your plan? Have you been doing all of this to make me stop? Is that it?
What did you just say?
Prince Ezenea of Isoyenato. Tell me you don't have a hand in all of this. Tell me you have not been doing this just to make me stop.
Adikuku, have you gone mad?
Yes, I am mad. I have completely gone mad. Everyone in this kingdom, including the palace, is driving me crazy.
Are you suggesting that I'm responsible for the deaths and rapings of our maidens in this kingdom?
Prove your innocence. If you're innocent, so be it. But if you're not, the gods of Isoyenato will never have mercy on you. Uzo. I thought I told you to call Ijema. Why is she not here?
But I told you I did not trust her. And for your information, my informants told me that they saw her with strange men in a private place. I suggest we rather do this without her.
And I have told you so many times, Ijema cannot hurt a fly. She can go against me. She's like a sister to me.
She must not be here, if you ask me. Let's go ahead without her.
Adaikuku, Biko, she's right. Let us do this without her. Ochoro.
Okay. It's a water. Now, the purpose we're here is because we want to fight for ourselves. We need to be our own security. We need to be our own guard. Nobody can do this for us. We can do it. Okay? We need to do everything humanly possible to fish out who these evil men are. And when we do, they will definitely tell us who they are working for.
But how can we do this alone? Because this is going to be a dangerous mission. We're putting our lives on the line.
If you ask me, I'll just say we should hire some men to do this job for us.
We don't know who is who. We can't trust anyone. Maidens, look, we can do this. We're stronger than we think. We can achieve this on our own. We can't trust anyone. Our lives are already in danger.
How do we go about this without getting ourselves killed?
Ada, you told me earlier that there was going to be a meeting. Well, I did not hear from you again.
Actually, we held the meeting, but I told Uzomiri to inform you about that.
Uzomiri, you see what I've been telling you? How can you possibly trust such information to Uzomiri? Do you think she will tell me? She did not tell me. If you go, she did not tell me anything. So you people held the meeting without me?
Yes. We didn't see you, so we had to proceed.
Ada, I won't pretend to you this time. I don't like this. You're going to let some people who don't believe in your vision sabotage your efforts. Eh? Why entrust so much on people who I keep warning you about? So, Badero, no problem. So, the meeting, how did it go? I am particular about your plan on how to expose these evil men. These people who are terrorizing us. Tell me, is there a plan on ground?
We are yet to conclude, actually, because the maidens that showed up were just few. So we had to postpone. That was what happened. So hopefully we will conclude soon.
Okay. Otada, Kwamezioku, do you trust me?
EJ, I trust you.
I can never mislead you. The gods forbid that I make you tread on a path that will not bring you goodness. One name, this fight, I think it is time to call it quit. All you need to do is announce to the maidens that you cannot go on with this war. Yes.
You want me to quit? EJ, I should quit? I don't quit. Do you even know what that means?
I know. I will tell you what it means. What it means is that the maidens will only assume that you are a failure. That's all. It is better that way than set them on a path that will bring them harm in the future.
I am not a failure, Ijema. And I can never be. I don't go to war. I know that I can't win.
You are not a failure. You can never be a failure. Adi Ikuku. Chile wine. Odogunke wine. You will never fail. You can never be a failure. Adi Ikuku wane. Adi Ikuku wane. Adi Ikuku wane.
decade days and no trace of those men. I'm getting tired. In fact, I am tired. It's like we're chasing shadows.
Maybe they found out that we're after them.
And who will tell them that?
I don't know. Those maidens say they can't continue with this. This is becoming too difficult. Like we're chasing shadows.
This is the reason why men dominate. Women are weak, women are senseless. They are easily deceived and manipulated. When will women learn to reinvent their power, their courage, and learn how to fight to finish? When? They will never stop referring to us as mere women. Stupid and foolish being. Look, if we don't stand up and fight, if we don't stand up and claim our rights, things will continue to be so. We are powerful. We are strong. We are intelligent. We are powerful more than we can ever imagine. Look, we are never cowards. Without us, there will be no tomorrow. Are we going to allow all of that to sink? Are we?
We are strong. We are women. We are powerful. We are women. We are smart. We are women.
We are never giving up on this fight.
Never.
We will win it.
Okichuku. I told you people not to kill anybody again. Now, me. Can't you carry this simple task without killing somebody? I warned you the last time. I said no more killings. Stop putting the blood of these innocent maidens on my hand.
But we explained to you, it was never intended.
This is too much. Okay. I know I told you to pause and lay low for a while. But now, I need you to strike again. Yes. I need you to strike again. And this time around, I want to target some very specific maidens. Do you understand? My only point is, I want people to lose trust in Adikuku and her father. That's the only point I want. That's my target. That is my target, not to kill somebody. Don't kill anybody again.
Well, at least, I'm happy that you have accepted that the blood of those that died are on your hands.
Okay, Juku. You used to be a very respectful child. What happened to you? No, listen to yourself. Don't you sound disrespectful like this. Ilechamayan, this. What is wrong with you? Eh? I need you to strike. Strike again this time. But do it needs job. You are men. Behave like men. Eh?
No problem, no problem. So, who are the maidens you want us to attack this time?
I know zombie. I want you to give them pain. You know, that kind of pain that they can never recover from. Use your... Give them pain. So much pain. Visit their homes if you have to. Those maidens want to dare me. They don't even know what I can do. Nah. Use your... Give her pain. Don't let her recover. Yota. Do you understand?
Understand.
Hold your ears. Biko, hold your ears. Don't kill anybody. Please, don't kill them.
Ghana?
Hey, that's right, Nakat.
While we wait for Adaikuku, I need us to all know that we all share the same spirit that leads Adaikuku. A time will come in a person's life when the person will have to take his or her destiny in her hands.
Now that time is now. And nothing, when I mean nothing, nothing should stop us from achieving our aim. We will fight for what we believe.
And we're going to fight to the end.
It is now too late for anyone to stop us. That is the spirit. We are going to fight to finish. We are going to fight to achieve our mission. She will be here anytime soon.
Please.
I'm tired. What? I'm seriously tired and hungry. I need to rest. I need to eat. I'm tired.
Me too. This is not the time for resting or eating. We need to be at alert. No one knows what will happen next. Neka, Ifoma, let's keep going.
Please, I'm hungry. I can't do anything.
You know what will happen? Just be quiet. We will get the food. Okay?
Calm down. Please, don't forget the water.
I'm hungry. Oh.
Take your voices down.
Aku na go. Be bad. Be at alert. Right.
Can you imagine? I've been testing.
You can join the round. Yeah, I don't have
No, I'm testing. I'm not doing anything. Even this knife is too heavy for me to carry.
And you're still carrying it. Drop it. You'll be able to do it. Touch it.
Ndode! Where is the food? I'm hungry.
Get away! Get away! What do you want to do? Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! I'm coming!
Stay down! Stay down! No more move from you, you're dead! Seize them! Take off his marks. Okay? Ike! Hey, dare make a move. If you dare make a move, you will join your ancestors. Seize them! Get up. Get up! Up! Move! 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 Move it! Move! Get up! Get up! Move! Hey! Chimo! Oh, go to the river. Move! Move it! Nico, move! Get up! Get up! Get! Move! Go! Move!
Ijema! Ijema! Ijema!
Who is there?
Come, let's go to the palace. They have caught the evil men that have been killing our maidens in this village. So let's go.
Yeah. I hate rumor peddlers. How is it even possible? Did you see them with your eyes?
Everyone is rushing to the palace to see for themselves. And you know I should be telling you everything that is happening in this community. So that is why I came to tell you. So let's go. Ozioma.
Go. I'm coming.
Don't want to see for yourself. Let's go now. Ozioma, go. Just go. Ozioma, go!
go now. You don't want to see for yourself.
No.
Can someone start talking? What is going on here? Who are these young men and why are they tied together? And you are pointing a gun. What is going on?
Caesar! You've come to the end of the road.
Uzo, Millie.
Come on, Caesar!
Don't worry.
To the palace.
Move! I said I'll follow you.
Move it!
Your
cup is full.
I'll come now.
Move. Take her to the palace this minute.
Move!
Move it.
Ijemma. Gwa m eziokwu. Gwa m na-asị. Tell me these are all lies. Please just say it to me. I will believe you, please. DJ, talk to me. You didn't do any of this, right?
Who do you think you are, Adeikuku? And from where did you derive the guts to think that you're better than anyone else? You were the reason my husband got banished from this kingdom. And even if the king verdicts that I go to the afterlife for my crimes, I still will not forgive you, Adeikuku.
Ije, you came to me. You complained. You complained bitterly of how your husband maltreats you. You told me he rapes you. You told me he beats you. You told me you hated him. You even told me that you wished him dead. Ije, you told me he will never be alive. And see that man you called husband marry another wife.
Did I tell you to report my husband to the women folk? No. He was my husband. I loved him. I would rather die than have my husband be banished from here.
Everything I did it for you. That man was going to kill you. He was about to kill you. He was getting too brutal, EJ. I did it all for you.
And I did not ask you to fight for me. I did not. With the rapes and beatings, I will still live with him. I do not want to live without him. I loved him. He was my husband. Ada.
I detest you! I hate you!
Can you stop talking already? Shut up!
I thought I was doing her a favor. I just wanted her to be happy. I never wanted to turn her into a monster.
Adikuku, you need to stop blaming yourself. She did all she did because of the type of person that she is. We all know she has been all envious of you. She's been envious of you, so please just stop.
No. I should have controlled my anger. Maybe I wasn't good enough at all. Just maybe.
Can you please stop? He left you no choice and you did the right thing. Moreover, we shouldn't let whatever Ijema did to derail us from our mission. We need to keep fighting until we achieve the aim. Please just stop. You did the right thing, my friend, and we're on the right path.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey.
Brave maidens of Isoyenato. I am super excited. Together we have shown them that we are brave. Together we've made history. Together we've made a mark.
Yes.
Together we've showed them the power of women.
Yes!
Now it is time to finish what we have started.
What? But what else is left to be done? Because the people of the ruling class have already accepted that it is not the gods that placed class discrimination, that they are the ones that placed it themselves. So what next?
And I also heard that they will no longer tell anyone not to marry who he or she wants to marry because of the person's family background.
Oh yes, they have made all these promises, but we need them to see what they have said in Ajani, which is the central deity of our people. That way they will not be able to deny their promises.
Yes!
Adikuku. Hey! Okay, are you an old woman in a maiden's body?
I don't understand.
No, because I do not understand, and I'm sure all these maidens here do not understand you at all. How do you come about all this? How do you know the next route we should take to safeguard what we've achieved? How?
I learned from my late mother that men cannot be trusted when it comes to making promises to women. They can easily deny their promises when reality hits them. You understand?
Yes.
This is the only way we can hold them tight, for them to keep their promises and what they have said to us.
Yes.
If not, forget men and their promises, because they will deny you at any moment.
No doubt her leadership qualities from the gods.
Yes.
Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato. We have achieved it all. It's just small thing that is remaining for us to finally agree that this kingdom has found the peace that we need.
Yes.
I did it.
Keneshku, my love. Akwangwam. Asa. Ugebe. Please, for how long are you going to keep avoiding me? For how long are you going to keep breaking my heart? For how long are you going to keep this kind of attitude by not wanting me to talk to you, please?
Chike, in as much as you are a very good person, you do not expect me to betray the other maidens. You do not expect me to fall to you all because of love. I cannot do that. I cannot betray the others. We are fighting so hard to make everything alright. And here you are talking about love, talking about me, not talking to you.
Kenechukwu, allow me and my people to come and see your people. Allow me to tell them that you are the moon that shines even in darkness. Allow me to tell my people that I have found that person that my heart yearns for. Allow me to tell my people that I have seen the one that I want. By allowing me to come and do your wine carrying. Please.
Chike.
My love.
Do you really love me that much?
May the gods bear me witness that my heart only yearns for you to be my wife, for me to take care of you. May the gods bear me witness that my heart only yearns for you. Please, I love you so much. I can't love another. I can't sleep. Please allow me to come with my people. Please.
I'm sorry, Chike. I can't. Chike.
My love.
If you love me that much, then you have to go back to the king and solicit the plight of the maidens. We are suffering. We need someone to speak for us. If no one does, then we, the maidens of this land, we continue and we keep fighting until we gain our freedom.
My love, please. Please do not give me such a difficult task. Please.
Chike, I swear by the gods of the land that if you do that for me, you will have me forever. My body, my soul, everything in me will belong to you. That is what I want. I'm sorry.
Kenechukwu, I love you. And I love you with all my heart. May the gods help me to have the woman of my dream.
Your Majesty, may you live long. My king, my maiden has refused me to do her wine carrying, which was supposed to take place at the last Eke market day. But my king, I can't do that because she has proposed something that I know is impossible to do.
May you live long, my king. You are the greatest king of Isoyenato kingdom. Same goes to me, your majesty. My wife-to-be has also refused my hand in marriage. She said that you must meet up with their demand before anything can go on.
The truth of the matter that I must have to admit before you is that Isioyenato is presently passing through a trying moment. Forces are demanding a new era in this kingdom. And I believe you know where it is coming from.
Yes, we all do, your majesty. But if you look at it this way, my king, the maidens are making a credible request.
A request that can douse all the political tensions.
Well, I have heard your complaints. Needless to tell you, you are not the only ones complaining. Adeikuku, the daughter of Nzei Benebu, is actually the one who is creating all the tensions. But trust me, something is going to be done.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I am on top of it.
We hope so, Your Majesty.
And as king, I am going to solve this problem.
We believe you, Your Majesty. We do.
We'll go with that, Your Majesty. Thank you.
My king, I've done all I could do. I even threatened to disown her.
No, Nzibenebu, you have to do more than mere threatening to disown her. She is your daughter. You have to talk to her. Because what they are demanding is impossible. There are men, in fact, there are people who can never be brought into the circle of leadership. Because not only will they contaminate the process, they are going to contaminate the circle.
My king, with all due respect, let us look into their demand to avoid more troubles.
What are you saying? Maidens of this land cannot decide for me how I will run this kingdom. I have been lenient enough because she is your daughter and the future queen of this land. Call her to order. She has to stop turning the maidens of this kingdom against the young men of this kingdom. She has to stop that.
My king, this has gone beyond my daughter. The entire meeting of Cinematography has now agreed and are now together. Even some members of the ruling class have given in their consent.
Who are those members of the ruling class? Can you mention their names?
My king, a time will come in the life of a man when he will tell himself the truth. Let us go beyond politics and understand that this has gone beyond my own daughter. Anything we do to her will ignite the wrath of the maidens of Cinematography kingdom, and no kingdom survives it.
This is what I have been trying to avoid. A situation where women will come together and they speak with one voice. I never saw it coming. I had always believed that along the line they will have disagreement and they scatter whatever thing they are doing. This is not good for my reign.
My king, they have already gotten it, and there's nothing we can do.
Ijele Nwanyi, the tigress of Cinematography kingdom, Azuelu Anadi na Nwanyi. Where are you?
Prince of Cinematography kingdom. Ogenikwa, why are you showering me with all these praises?
You know, in my wildest dreams, I would never imagine that any man born of a woman could actually convince or change the heart of my father, the king of Cinematography kingdom, from his decision. But you did, and you're a woman.
The king of Cinematography, your father, is a wise man and he saw reasons. Look, love is a very strong emotion, and when we mortals get in the way of love, just because of something created by men and made it look like the tradition, it cuts into the soul.
You know, most maidens of this kingdom are saying that your wisdom comes directly from the gods. I am beginning to believe that, Adikuku.
Ezenaya, with what I know now, I can comfortably tell you that you do not love me.
Adikuku, why do you cut me so deep with those sharp words?
Let's not even talk about it. The truth is that I don't even love you enough to be the mother of your unborn children.
Adikuku, you know that I love you and I know you love me. So why do you hurt me so much with
That
this
is
word?
the truth. I am telling you the truth. Look, I love the idea of being the wife of the prince. the next queen of this land. But right now, my life has taken a new turn and I want to live in my reality.
Adikoko,
Hmm?
from my knowledge, I am genuine towards you. I love you.
You know that beautiful maiden, Uzomiri? That woman who can lay down her life for you. She is the one for you. I would advise you go back to her. Don't allow your father's ambition to destroy your future. I'm sure you don't want to spend the rest of your life in regret. Do you?
I'm so happy! Ah! Ah! I'm so happy! Oh, chicken! I'm so happy! Chicken, I'm so happy! Chicken, do you know what?
Amarisha, what is it?
Let me tell you.
Calm
I'll
down,
tell you.
calm down, calm down, calm down.
It's
okay, what is it?
Chicken, I'm very happy.
What is it?
You know what? The king of our land has finally banded the ruling class from the lesser ones. I am happy.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Are you saying that we can marry now?
Yes, we can marry! I'm so happy. Ah!
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I'm so happy that the king has already done this for us.
I love you too. I love
I was ready to walk down the path of eternity with you, Ebuka. But what did you do? You joined forces with my uncle and tortured me. Inflicted so much pains on me. How could you, Ebuka? How could you? Despite everything you and I went through since our childhood, how could you?
You see, I am sorry. I am sorry I joined force with your uncle to inflict such pain on you. I was really scared. I was scared of losing you. I was scared of losing our relationship.
And what makes you think you've not lost me already? You tortured me, Ebuka, and that is something I cannot condone.
I know I have lost you already. I know I am losing you still. But I'm truly, truly sorry. I'm very sorry. I know we may not be together again, but I just know that I love you. Yes. I'm sorry for everything.
Do you still love him?
Even the gods know how much my heart beats for him.
Then you must forgive him. You need to, for you to find happiness and peace within. Oh? Just try. Go.
Ebuka.
I do not know why you prefer roasted yam. Next time, I'm bringing you pounded yam. You're not having roasted yam. You like it? No, next time you're having pounded yam. You eat roasted yam a lot. No.
This is so delicious.
Thank you.
You know I love everything that comes from you. It just feels like having a taste of you.
But we must stay in the hidden so that people cannot know that the prince is saying Uzommili. All because Uzommili is not good enough for the prince.
Oh,
Chai.
come on. Don't say that, my love. You know that I love you and I'm proud of you. I am willing to show you off.
So why do we keep meeting in secluded places? Why can't we walk around holding our hands while people watch us? Why can't you introduce me to your father? Why do we keep hiding?
Timing. Timing, my love. I am waiting for the right time. You know, the right moment.
But that right moment might never come. I'm sick and tired of meeting you in secluded places. I'm sick and tired of having this secret affair. If you're not proud of me, then I guess we should just go our separate ways.
My love, please don't say that. I am proud of you. I love you for who you are. But you know what? I'm going to introduce you to the king. Yes. Come here. Come closer. Listen, I love you so much, and I will do anything within or beyond my power to keep you forever. Okay? Just relax. Give me more. I want more.
Are you sure?
Yes. It just feels like like a communion.
And then you keep having roasted yam. Thank you.
Adi Kuku. Agumai. Adi Kuku. Bam. Ada.
The maiden that makes my heart beat fast. The love that I was scared to lose. My happiness. My joy. My treasure. The only maiden that made me forget who I am. Please don't leave.
I do not know what you're up to. Or what makes you think you can play with me a second time. Now listen to me, Prince. Stay far away from me, else I will show you I have teeth that can bite.
Uzommili, I was a coward. I was afraid. I thought that agreeing to my father's terms would make things better. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? For what exactly? For being a coward?
For being so heartless, wicked, self-centered. Is that it? Huh?
But right now I do not care. They mean nothing to me anymore. All I want for you is to stay far away from me. You've already picked Adikuku, and that is all right by me.
The tigress! My tall, beautiful friend. Biko, Butuo. Deledu Koshimiri. Prince of Iseyonato is sorry. He's apologizing. Now, with everything that we have achieved in this kingdom, don't you think he should forgive our prince?
My friend, you should know me by now.
I know you.
Believe you me, even the gods themselves will bear me witness that I hold no grudge against him. I've forgiven him. All I ask for is just for him to concentrate on you and build that relationship which he has created.
Before I found myself in that space, there was already a queen in that space. Now, with what you've known about me now, do you think I'm one of the maidens who would occupy a space that isn't theirs?
Cherugodi, wait. Are you by any means part of this?
What I am trying to say is that the queen of the space has to return to her position. Noria.
Uzomili, I was a coward once, but not anymore. And like Adikuku rightly said, a greater force tried to take you away from where you belonged. But thanks to the gods, that sanity has been restored back to our kingdom. Zomili, I love you. And you are going to be the next queen of Isionyanato kingdom. And I am going to love you for the rest of my life.
My prince, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for reconnecting back to me. I have always loved you, and I will forever love you.
I am so happy for you.
She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right. She is one of a kind. A woman of the people. Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for